Welcome to day 1 of Everyday Yoga Challenge. To start off the challenge, we will do a simple and gentle full body yoga stretch, just to allow the body to ease into it and welcome the new changes and new sensations in the next 30 days. We will start in a cross-legged seat. Sit up nice and tall. Release your shoulders away from the ears. Let your hands rest on your knees and close your eyes. Take a moment to set an intention for the next 30 days of the challenge. Ask yourself what brings you here and what it is that you want to achieve with an everyday yoga practice. Maybe you want to become more flexible and stronger in your physical body. Maybe you want to be more mindful and present in your everyday life. Maybe you want to build a consistent practice with everyday yoga. Whatever it is that you want to achieve, having an intention can be helpful on the days when the practice is a little challenging or when you feel tempted to skip a day. You can come back to your intention and remind yourself why you are doing this. Your intention can be a word, a phrase, a sentence, or an affirmation, and you don't need to overthink it, just the first thing that comes to your mind. With your next inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms together to your heart to seal your intention. And open your eyes. Let's move. Place your right fingertips to the side of your right hip. With inhale, reach your left arm up long to the sky. Exhale, side bend to the right. Turn your gaze up towards the ceiling and take deep breaths into your chest, sides, and back of the body. Deep inhale and exhale through the nose. With inhale, switch, right arm goes up. Exhale, side bend to the left. Deep full breath into the ribs. Inhale, reach arms up to the sky. Exhale, twist to the right, left hand on right knee, right hand behind you. Look back over your right shoulder and keep breathing deeply in and out. Inhale, come back to center, arms up to the sky. Exhale, twist to the left and look back over your left shoulder. Breathe into the broadness of your chest and back. Inhale, come back to center, arms up to the sky. Exhale, release fingertips down by your sides. Drop the chin down to the chest and circle your head from one shoulder to another. Stretching the back and sides of the neck. Move at your own pace and find the spots where you feel tightness or tension in the neck. The breath keeps flowing in and out through the nose. Bring your head back to center. Make fists with your hands and roll your wrists out a few times in each direction, just to warm them up a bit. Then make your way to hands and knees, tabletop position. Spread your fingers wide, hands underneath the shoulders, feet pointed or flexed. It's just a preference. Choose the variation that feels best in your body. Take an inhale in neutral position. This exhale pushes the floor away and round your spine. Inhale, drop the belly, lift your chest. Exhale, round again, drawing the navel into the spine. A few more rounds with your breath, arching the back on the inhale and rounding the back on the exhale. Come back to neutral tabletop, tuck your toes underneath, send your hips back and up into downward facing dog. Bend your right knee, press your left heel down to the mat and switch. Left knee bent, right heel presses down. Repeat a few more times, walking your feet out on spot, stretching the back of the legs. And then come to stillness in your downward facing dog. Look forward between your hands and walk your feet to the top of the mat. Keep the feet hip distance, bend the knees deeply, lower your belly to your thighs, relax the neck and shoulders and hold the opposite elbows with your hands. You can stay still or sway the upper body side to side, relaxing the upper back, the lower back. Maybe even shake your head a couple of times. Then take one breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Release your fingertips down to the mat and step your right foot back into low lunge. Drop your knee down, left knee bent above the ankle, hands come to your left knee. Lengthen your spine up from your lower back and then gently press your hips forward and down, finding the stretch on the top of your right hip and thigh. Hips try to drop down towards the floor, chest stays lifted, and you keep breathing in and out through the nose. Take one more inhale and exhale. Release your fingertips down and switch sides. Step your right foot forward, left foot back, drop the knee down, adjust your right knee above the ankle and hands on top of your right knee. Find length in your spine, and with this length, gently push the hips down towards the floor. Find your stretch. One more breath here, in and out. Bring your hands down, tuck your left toes underneath and step your right foot back into downward facing dog. Then lower your knees down again underneath your hips. Thread your left arm underneath your right armpit, turn your palm to face up and release your head towards the mat. Your right hand can stay in front of your face or straighten the right arm forward, adding a bit more stretch in the upper body. Breathe here, notice where you feel the stretch. It's usually somewhere in the upper body area around the shoulders. One more big breath here. Then place your right hand next to your face again, push yourself up into tabletop and switch sides. Thread your right arm underneath your left armpit, turn your palm up and find a comfortable position for your left arm, bent or straight. The head rests on the floor. And the breath keeps flowing, especially into the upper back, that spot between the shoulder blades. With your next breath, slowly make your way back to tabletop. Bring your knees together, sit back to your heels. Roll your shoulders back a couple of times. And interlock fingers behind the lower back. Pull your hands away from the lower back, lift up the chest, and breathe deeply into the chest. Stretching the shoulders and chest muscles. One more deep breath. And release your hands. Rest your hands on your thighs, close your eyes, and let's finish this practice with one more breath together. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palm together to your heart. And open your eyes. This was day 1 of your 30-day yoga challenge. Hope you enjoyed it today and see you tomorrow for day 2. Bye!